Today, I'll walk you through how to download Google Sheets on your Windows PC, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access Google Sheets as a standalone application, so you can work more efficiently and seamlessly. First, let's get started by opening your Chrome browser. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and do that now. This is the foundation for our process, as Google Sheets works best in Chrome. Next, click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of your browser. This icon typically looks like three vertical dots. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Now from this menu, select Sheets. This will take you directly to Google Sheets. If you're logged into your Google account, you'll see all your existing sheets here. If not, you may need to log in. Once you're in Google Sheets, look to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find another three-dot menu. Click on this to access more options. From the drop-down, click on Cast, Save, and Share. This option allows you to save Google Sheets as an app on your desktop, making it easily accessible. Next, select Install Page as App. This will prompt your computer to create a shortcut for Google Sheets on your desktop. It's like having a dedicated app for your spreadsheets, which can enhance your workflow. Finally, you should now be able to use Google Sheets as a standalone application on your Windows desktop. This means you can open it just like any other program on your computer, making it much easier to manage your spreadsheets. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface, but the steps remain largely the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.